Ugh, another half-cleaned house thanks to your Roidmi EVA quitting early? That frustratingly short runtime is driving you crazy, right? We get it. The short runtime problem is a surprisingly common issue affecting many Roidmi EVA owners. The culprit? Often, it's a tired, worn-out battery struggling to keep up. This isn't just inconvenient. It means less effective cleaning and potentially damages your robot over time. Ignoring a dying battery can also lead to unexpected shutdowns in inconvenient places. Nobody wants their robot vacuum stranded in the middle of the hallway. So, what's the solution? Well, we can tell you right away that you need a battery replacement. That sounds easy, right? But hold on a second before you crack open your Roidmi EVA. While a short runtime often points to a faulty battery, trying a DIY battery replacement can be riskier than you might think. You could easily damage other sensitive electronics while attempting the replacement. Plus, incorrectly installing a new battery could create short circuits or even fire hazards, not something you want happening near your carpets. What seems like a simple battery swap might actually require a more intricate diagnosis. The problem may lie elsewhere, leading to wasted time and money on parts you may not need. Our technicians at RoboCare have years of experience diagnosing and solving the short runtime issue in Roidmi EVA models. We possess the specialized tools, genuine replacement parts, and expert knowledge to get your robot vacuum back up and running smoothly and safely. Simply bring it to our convenient Kota Damansara service center or use our reliable courier service from anywhere in Malaysia. We'll get your EVA back to tip-top condition in no time. Don't risk further damage. Trust RoboCare to handle your repair. And now look at this. A fresh battery from RoboCare brings the Roidmi EVA back to life. Enjoy effortless, powerful cleaning, exactly as it should be. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I found RoboCare online. I was skeptical at first, but their website looked professional. And they specifically mentioned Roidmi EVA repairs. A couple of days after that, my shiny, renewed Roidmi EVA was back in my hands. I was so relieved. It's so much more powerful, it cleans in half the time and gets into all the hard-to-reach areas again.
Don't let a dead battery leave your floors dirty. Contact RoboCare today for a quick and reliable repair. Visit our service center in Kota Damansara or use our convenient courier service.